Birds played a significant role in ancient Roman culture, often carrying symbolic, religious, and practical importance. Augury and divination. The Romans practiced augury, a form of divination that involved observing the behavior and flight patterns of birds to make predictions about the future. Different birds and their actions were thought to convey specific messages from the gods. For example, the flight of birds, their calls, and their behavior were interpreted by priests called augurs to make important decisions. Eagles. The eagle was an important symbol in Roman culture, representing power and authority. It was associated with the Roman legions, and the Roman aquila, eagle standard, was carried into battle as a symbol of the legion's honor and determination. Owls. The Romans also had mixed feelings about owls. While owls were associated with wisdom in some cultures, they were considered symbols of ill omens and death in Roman superstition. The hooting of owls was thought to signal impending doom. Roosters were considered symbols of vigilance and were often used as motifs in Roman art and architecture. Their crowing at dawn was seen as a sign of a new beginning. Flamingos, with their bright pink plumage, were admired for their beauty. They were sometimes featured in Roman mosaics and frescoes as decorative elements. Domesticated birds. The Romans kept and raised various domesticated birds, such as chickens, geese, and pigeons, for practical purposes like food and entertainment. Birds, especially chickens, were often used in religious sacrifices. Birds in art and decoration. Birds were a common motif in Roman art and decoration. They were depicted in mosaics, frescoes, and sculptures, often symbolizing themes of abundance, nature, and the divine. Pets and entertainment. Romans kept birds as pets, and they enjoyed the singing and colorful plumage of birds like nightingales, parrots, and canaries. Exotic birds were imported and highly prized for their novelty. Birds in literature. Birds featured prominently in Roman literature. Ovid's Metamorphoses and other Roman writings include many references to birds, often using them as metaphors or symbols to convey deeper meanings. Overall, birds in ancient Rome held a multifaceted role, from their religious and divinatory significance to their practical uses and presence in art and culture. They were woven into the fabric of Roman society, reflecting the complex beliefs and values of the time.